Hi there, welcome, and yeah, today, you know what, I should do an intro first. Well, yeah, if you haven't seen my video, my first video, the trailer, not really a trailer, just more like a nice video, go watch it, it's pretty cool, and yeah. But today, I might as well do my fidget spinner, fidget spinner review. I have this one, and I also have this one. Those are my only fidget spinners. So, I'm going to open these. Let's go. As you can see here, nice. It's pretty light, to be honest. It spins, sorry, pretty well. Let me get this good spin here. There we go. Best I could do. Yeah. To be honest, it's pretty wobbly, as you can see that. But if you leave it still, it's not that wobbly. If I just take out this part, boop, 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 you can see here, one side has that metal, one side doesn't, but right there's the bearing. Woo! So yeah, let's put that back on. Yeah, I'll just put that to the side now. So, in the case, by the way, it's a, squishy foam. Also, one more thing. This is an aluminium fidget spinner. Very light but strong metal, So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And then, okay, so now second one will be this one. Let's open up. Here we go. Pop that to the side. And here it is, a fidget spinner. Pop that over there. This is a heavy metal one. It's quite heavy but small. If you compare it, as you can see. The finger pad's massive. Very quiet. Can you hear anything? Yeah, I know. So if I just get a good spin, as you can see, whoa. Pretty decent. If we open it up, just can take it out. And I'm just saying right now, guys, comment down below if you want me to review or do anything with these fidget spinners. Anything else. So yeah, anyways. So as you can see, pretty shiny in the light there, yeah. So pretty decent. Yeah. So that's my fidget spinner review. Screw it back on. If you recognize these fidget spinners, like the video. Also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.